And there you go. 200. Ultimate camera. Wow. Wow. Satisfaction. Okay, what do we have? Huge! This is huge. Humongous camera, but it's not protected with anything, so have to be careful. Use the case, which is included. Nothing on this side. Harman Kardon speakers. That's the ER blaster. Nice, you can control your TV, make some pranks. Volume buttons, power button, USB Type-C, SIM card tray, and the speaker. Very minimalistic and small cutout for the camera. There's a plastic on that screen. Well, I will not remove yet. Let's power it on. It's quite big. I'm not used to with the big smartphones. Wallpaper. I want to change it. Live wallpaper. Oh, I don't know what is going on in here. Live wallpaper. Live one. Tiger blood. Oh, I love it. I love it. Damn, it is good. Tiger, both. This phone is on fire. Damn. Now that's a cool wallpaper. I love it. I never changed this wallpaper. I'll leave it like this. Oof. Okay, pattern. Let me just hit my pattern. There you go. There you go. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Whew. Okay, let's hit the camera. This is the main thing. Camera. All right. All right. All right. Watermark, of course. Orientation, motion. All right. Picture quality, high, of course. 200 megapixel photo. Wow. That is... Wow, from the smartphone? Wow, it is good. It is good. The amount of details is insane. Let's investigate pictures. I'll show you the properties. There it is. In details, that's the resolution. Generally, it's somewhere around 50 megapixel for the picture. Quite a lot. All right. Let's close it in. Oof. Wow, the amount of details. Really good. That's really good. Let's try something else. Something different. Like those ice creams. Ooh. Wow. Also really nice. Maybe a bike. Wow. Look at that.
There was a dude, but he was on the move. That's why he's blurry. Can even read the license plate on this one. Jeez. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, a little bit of macro. Also super cool. Maybe something inside. Oh, there you go. Inside picture, like you can see, very, very nice quality. Can we read those? Yes, we can read those. Nice. And again, let me test the properties. Is it a... Yes, it's 53 megapixels. Megabytes, sorry. Megabytes. In details, and the resolution is 16,000 to 12,000. Yeah, crazy resolution. But like you can see, it's very, very nice. Very nice details. Woo. Wow. Just wow. All right. Bear in mind, this is just an unboxing experience and first impression, which is rather really good. Fast charging, good battery. It's not overheating at all. Those pictures looks insanely good. Insanely. See you next video when I do a full review for this smartphone. Bye.